I am going to make this dragon mold. I had made another one already. It's a gold and silver one that I had made. And I'll insert the picture of what it looks like. So this time I'm going to do a blue one, which I have this powder right here. It's from Resin and it's aqua blue. And on the other side, I'm going to do a pink one, which is the holographic Resin in pink. So, and then after that, I'm going to put the black resin on it and let that cure. All right, so now I'm just going to get my brush and we'll brush that on. And I'll probably just speed this part up so you guys don't get bored with it. All right, there we go. It's all done. That's the mica powder, the pink. Alrighty, so now I am gonna go ahead and mix my powder or my resin together, and I will come back and we'll go ahead and pour it. Okay guys, I mixed up the resin. I used the Resin, the A and B to 1-to-1 ratio, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put some black alcohol ink, sorry. This is it here. Got that one from Walmart. And I'm also gonna put a little bit of this mica powder in, just so it will make it not a transparent black, alrighty? So it'll be like a solid black. So now I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of drops of this in. You'll see how black it goes. I want to move this out of the way because I really don't want the black to drip on it. Just in case. There we go. We'll try that, see how that goes. You'll see how dark it is. I really like this one alcohol ink because it's really nice black color comes out of it. And I've got a measurement of exactly 1 cup. Go ahead and stir that. And I've got my heating pad on too, so this is going to be nice and warm. I have it on low. Let's see how it's still transparent. I don't like that. I like it so it's darker. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of that mica powder in. Okay. Go ahead and put some of this in. That should be enough like that. Don't need this anymore because it's really nice black. Clean up a little bit, put that away. Hope you guys are checking out my other videos. They're pretty good. I made an egg trinket box. I think they turned out really, really well. I made some 2 different color pink ones, and I sold both of them. So I'm gonna probably make some more, and I'll make some more pink ones I noticed those are the ones that are going fast, and the blue one really turned out really, really good. I really like that one. But anyways, I'm just gonna give this a stir, and we're gonna go ahead and pour this into the mold. Put this here, bring the mold over. Okay, it doesn't really matter which one I start with, but I like to go with I'm gonna go with the blue, and I'll start with the head first. I'm gonna sit down so you guys can watch me. And we're just gonna let the resin go where it falls. Go ahead and switch hands. Okay. And I'll go ahead and pour some in the pink. Last time. There we go, I like that. Right there. The blue looks nice and full. Some more of the pink in here. There we go. And now we'll just let it do its thing. So you really don't need that much that I made. So I made a cup, so really you only needed like four ounces. That was it. So that's pretty cool. So we are gonna go ahead and let that sit. Tomorrow morning, or actually maybe later on tonight, I might take it out of the mold, because you can take it out of the mold 8 hours, and you have between 8 and 12 hours, they said, and then you have to, it's fully cured in 24 hours. So I'll probably put just a little bit more resin in here, just so the fins on the dragon get covered. And yeah, and then I'm gonna let it sit. Okay, stay tuned for the demolding. It has been 24 hours since I poured the resin, and it's all nicely cured. I see I had a little bit of a hangover here, but that's okay. I could just cut that off, trim it off. And this is it here. You see some of the little sparkles came on the back, which is really nice. I like that. That's nice. All right, there, can you see it? It's blue and pink. So let's go ahead and unmold it, see how it looks. There's a few trimmings I have to do up here, which is not bad at all. Get his little tail. Okay, some more little trimmings. That's nothing. I can just, that's actually pretty easy to come off. There we go. And on here. Now the center part's the part that's, oh, it's not bad. Take that off. There we go. So there's the mold. Came out pretty clean, except for like just the little holes inside there, which isn't bad. Excuse me. All right, so let's go ahead and flip them around. Oh, they look so cute. Look at that. Look at the hologram on that. See the colors coming out? This is so cute. Another one I really like. Whoop. See? There you go. There's the unmolding of my love dragons. The next ones I'm going to do probably a red and a black, or red and green. I think that's what I'm going to do, is a green. Can't wait for that one to come out. That'll look really good. And I'll probably change it up a bit and make them gold and have the wings a different color. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Share it if you like to share my video. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, everybody.